how to watch Disney Plus outside of the US. Watching Disney Plus outside of the US gives you access to more shows and movies that are not available in your region. And I'm going to go ahead and fix this. Say for example, especially if it is not available in your region. We're going to go ahead and refresh, and you can see that really we cannot access it. Now, in order for you to get this done, what you are going to do is look for Pure VPN right here. Pure VPN currently has more than 80% discount offer plus a 31-day money-back guarantee. Additionally, if you use the code PURE15, you can get an additional 15% discount. So if you are interested, click the link in the description or the comment section below for you to avail this. Now from here, what we are going to do is just scroll down, and we should be seeing something like this. So we're just going to go ahead and click this Windows right here, and we're going to go ahead and download it for free. However, if you're interested in purchasing, go ahead and click this right now. Now you're just going to go ahead and install it, and after installing, it should look like this. So this is Pure VPN. I already have logged in my account right now, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to connect to the US. So click this globe icon right here. This is for the location. And then we're going to go ahead and basically look for US or United States here. We're just going to go ahead and click this one right now. Alright, now that you are connected, go ahead and open Google once again, and here go ahead and look for Disney Plus. So you're just going to go ahead and click this one here, disneyplus.com, and there you go. As you can see, now we are logged back in here, and you can see that it is in dollar, meaning we are really accessing Disney Plus from the US. And yep, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. And once again, if you are interested in the offers and services I mentioned, go ahead and try Pure VPN now and avail 80% worth of discount. Plus the use of our coupon code right now, it's PURE15 for an additional 15% off. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe and leave this video a like if it helps you out.